So, I'm going purple today. Yeah. Let's just get into this. I need to take my hair out of these braids because I'm dyeing my hair purple today. So on the instructions it says to wash your hair and then dry it thoroughly. So we're already off to a good start because I'm not going to wash my hair. I washed it yesterday. Still smells fresh. So, let's just get into this. Here is my before. This is, for the most part, my natural hair color. And life's too short to not love your hair, so I'm going to be using Purple Rain and then diluting it with their Arctic Mist diluter. Okay, you guys, this is technically my first hair dyeing video on my channel, I think. I did film when I dyed my hair pink, but I never posted it. So, just gonna get a mixture that I don't mind, so let's just hop into this. I only want Purple Rain a little bit diluted, I think. Alright, let's mix that up and see what we're looking like. So I think I would rather be more purple than less purple, since it'll like fade to a lighter purple anyways when it does fade. So I don't mind being like a little more shockingly purple at the start. You guys, I think I put maybe too much Purple Rain. But like I said, we're okay with a vibrant purple. That's what I'm just going to tell myself. I have to just like really be confident if I'm going to do something like this, because last time I dyed my hair pink and I love it. But when I had it, I was so self-conscious because it was the first time I really had like a colorful hair color, and I was like, oh my gosh, everybody's looking at me, and nobody even really said anything, but it was just all in my head. So I need to just be confident in my decision. If I'm going to dye my hair purple, I better be confident in it. So, yeah. Okay. So here's what we have. I put about all the diluter in there, but I also put a lot of Purple Rain in there. So this is like initially darker than I would like, but my hair, like, I'm not starting off with platinum anyways. I'm starting off with like a pretty dark blonde up top and then like still a pretty dark blonde on the bottom. So I'm hoping that I'll compensate a little bit. Okay, I'm just putting it off now. Let's just get started. Whenever I think I can try something different and like it'll work in my favor, it doesn't. So hopefully this time's different. But we're all in now, so I don't know what's wrong with me, you guys. I get bored so easy, and like I have been, ever since I was young, I've been just really drawn to colored hair. But like the only thing that's stopped me from doing it is me like worrying about what other people think. And I've just always been such a people pleaser in that way, I guess, that I've always just like shied away from this kind of stuff, but it would like really make me happy, and it's something I really enjoy. So I think the initial shock of this will be much like not as bad as when I dyed my hair pink, because the main reason I was like didn't like the pink was, one, because I was so nervous about what everyone else would think, but two, it was so light, and I do really like darker colors on me. Life is too short to not try to be so scared about what other people think for trying something, especially if it's something like as shallow as looks and appearance. Do you know what I mean? Like, yeah, you're probably going to go home to your family and they're going to be like, what have you done to your hair? But it'll be a good life experience and good life lessons, I feel like. You know? Colored hair, I know I'm going on about this, but colored hair where I live in Montana, and it's not as accepted to have colored hair in Montana as it is like literally everywhere else in the world. Especially the spot I live in Montana. I just feel like we're like a bunch of small town folks, and very judgy. I feel like if I had dyed my hair and went literally anywhere else, I wouldn't have felt so nervous about it, but I just have to get out of my head and feel confident in the decisions I make. So that's what we're doing today. Okay, I'm just gonna get a little barbaric in here. My favorite part is having most of your roots all done and just slathering it all on your head, really getting it in. Like, that's my favorite thing. That's probably fine, right? I really need my hype girls here right now. Faith and Riley, where you at though? This is very therapeutic, you guys. I have been super stressed out lately and just like on edge, and I cannot just relax, but this, wonderful. All right, time to get wild. Woohoo. This is so much fun, you guys. If you've never dyed your hair, what are you doing? There's something you really want to do, but you're super worried about other people, what they're gonna think, do it. Unless it's like something really bad or illegal, or something that's gonna hurt somebody. Now it's just time to slather up. Oh God, I'm gonna have to deal with the wrath of my parents. Okay, well, I'm pretty sure my hair's like turning purple, so that's good. I'm just going to leave this on my head for as long as I can, probably a couple hours, and then we'll see the final results together. Hopefully the title of this video was not hair dyeing fail. So here it is, you guys, and it's definitely a lot more vibrant than the color like I was initially wanting, but I know it'll fade down after some washes, so that is okay. I would have rather gone more purple than less purple. I am looking at myself in the mirror and I literally feel like I have just had purple hair forever. Born out of the womb with my purple hair. There's obviously some spots that like have to come off my skin, but that's okay. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video and sticking to the end. You are a trooper, and I will see you in the next video if you watch it. Ah, my hair's purple.